Hey all! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share how to make cute earrings organizer with popsicle sticks or coffee stirrer stick. First, make the base of the organizer. Take two 3 inches and two 2 inches long popsicle stick pieces. Now make the base as I'm showing. Take 2 more sticks and cut it half. Attach these pieces with the base by using glue gun as I'm showing. Take 8 4 inches long popsicle sticks pieces and make the edges round. Now attach them as I'm showing. I'm using white glue to fix it. This side is for hook back earrings. We can easily hang them here. This side is for top earrings. Isn't it pretty easy and cute earrings organizer? Let me know in comment box if you like this video or not. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.